Hey everybody, this is speedcubers. Welcome to the World Championship Vlog Part 1. I got to fly out a couple days before the competition from Denver to Seattle, USA. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Hey everyone, it's speedcubers. Welcome to the World Championship Vlog. Yesterday we flew out from Colorado to Seattle and went to an aerospace museum today. I'll put some pictures on screen. And now we're in a hotel. So first off, let's do a hotel tour. Okay, so we walk in. So we got bathroom, shower, toilet, and then we have mirror. And this thing, bed 1, bed 2, we have our coffee corner, we have a chair, table, and a little office thing with another mirror, and we have our view as well. And there's the venue right there. Just went down to the lobby, and guess who it is?
And that's Cubes.
Sure is.
Yeah, we went up to the 45th floor and there was no window or anything.
Unfortunately. We're going to the baseball game now. And we're gonna take the light rail, so.
Yeah, it's low-key so easy to get on.
I'll be just up you.
I could probably sneak on there if I want. Well, I mean, under 18 gets on free, but they didn't even check our tickets.
Jude is selling the clip because he isn't going.
Everybody unsubscribed from JPDcuber.
Yeah. Made it to the game, but we missed the first pitch. Everyone, that's day 1 of the competition. We're about to walk down to the venue, and we're going to be up with NS Cubes as well, and JPDcuber's. We've acquired our loot from the check-in, so we're gonna wait now. Look, do you see him waving on? Here it goes.
Main red and main
Bro.
blue.
What the heck?
This is the main right here.
I think this is the main stage, guys.
That's a main. There's a main over there.
They have bleachers.
Yeah, there's red.
That the JPDcubers. What's up? Let's see what we got in our loot here. So we got this bag, and then inside it we have this thing. It looks like a menu, but it's not. And yes, it also has the prizes. That's a lot.
Oh my god.
We have a towel again. We also have a Cubing USA sticker, which we'll put on the water bottle. vlog is starting, and I'm gonna use this new one that I got because it's kind of good.
Hopefully you'll see some footage from me.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, if I can send it to you.
Check out his channel, but not NS Cubes.
Not NS Cubes.
Clock was the first event for me at the Rubik's World Championship, and I also did pretty well considering this was a brand new cube for me. I guess more of a circle, but yeah, overall pretty good. I think it's PR2, so yeah, not too bad.
Might be PR average. Clock went pretty well. I think I might have gotten PR average, but not sure. But I was somewhat consistent. Got 2 9s and 2 10.6 zeros, and I think an 11. So not bad. We're going to cubicle right now, and because otherwise I'll get busy. Okay, we've got our loot here, and they also got some things. I got a lot more than them though.
Yay,
Came in. Okay, we got them bat here. Okay. Next we have this t-shirt, show up in later today.
We got Alliance.
Then we have this block. One of the new lubes called Super Honey. I don't know what it is yet. We got the Olar Cube here, and then finally the GAN 4x4. Alright, so we have the new GAN 4x4 here. I haven't done turn on it, so these are my first impressions.
Better? Normal?
Okay.
Is that like mainable?
Maybe. It might need some setup, but it's a unique feel, and it's definitely needs a certain turning style, but I'm sure if I set it up, it'll be fabulous. It's pretty good right now. Let's do a solid. This is lucky scramble. Oh my goodness.
This comp is going to be amazing.
Luke, can I feel it?
I'm bad, but cube's pretty good. Alright, now here's the Olar cube, which I bought. It's a like Waylon P9 cube stand. Also has these stickers and blanks, or the stock center cap, which we won't be using. Now we have the cube itself. So this is a good scramble, supposedly. So what we get.
Better than what it was.
Okay, I got like a 12 on that, but this cube needs breaking, but I know it's a really good one to break then.
How's that?
It's a V9.
The Red 3 one-handed is one of those events that I'm really not that good at. I used to be pretty decent at it, but I've fallen off in a while just because I haven't been practicing it, and I don't have an actual main. I just use my 3x3 main. But summarize 3x3 one-hand for me, very bad and very inconsistent. I had a couple okay solves, and the rest were kind of but yeah. At least I only had one round of this, and hopefully next competition I can do better in it. This was my third event of the day, and I did not do any bit of practice at all, and it's also right after 3x3 OH for me, but I was able to borrow Joshua's pyraminx because mine sucked, and I actually did surprisingly well. Got PR average on this one, so maybe I should actually practice some Pura and not be bad at it.
This is why we come early. Look at this. This is insane. It keeps going. I'm so glad we came early.
And finally, to finish off day one of the competition, they had an opening ceremony where they also had a flag showing of every country competing. To finish off the day, we had the Nations Cup, and some of the big teams this year was China, USA, and Poland and Australia, and this was very fun to watch. And here are some of the highlights this year. And finally, it came down to the USA versus China, and I'm guessing you know who won. We tried our best, at least. Thank you guys so much for watching the first day of this competition. I hope you enjoyed this first part, and I hope you will enjoy the next part. And if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.